how to make a group chat on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to make a group chat on Discord, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just head over to your Discord application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. So as you can see on the left side of your navigation bar, you can basically tap on this plus icon to create a server, and similarly you just have to tap on this chat section at the top of your navigation bar at the left section. And once you tap on that, you can simply tap on this option or button over here, that is message icon with the plus icon. So you can basically tap on that, and once you tap on that, you should see the option to actually create a new group. So simply tap on that from over here, and you can basically choose the number of members that you like to include on your particular group. So always remember that you can't actually create a group of member containing more than 10 members. So make sure to choose between 10 to 9 members and simply click on create, and just wait for a few seconds, and just like that you have successfully created a group on Discord. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.